Let us see foreign body differentiation and the management between the esophagus and the trachea by focusing on the unique anatomical orientations and clinical presentations of each. Foreign body ingestion or foreign body in the esophagus versus foreign body aspiration, foreign body in the trachea. Let's start from anatomy and the positioning. Trachea is a rigid tube kept open by C-shaped cartilaginous rings, wider from front to back, or sagittal plane. It's wider from front to back. Esophagus is a muscular, collapsible tube located behind the trachea, wider from side to side. Coronal plane is wider from side to side. The epiglottis acts as a flap to prevent food from entering the trachea during swallowing. The other is clinical presentation. Tracheal foreign body or foreign body aspiration is characterized by sudden choking, gasping, and persistent coughing, wheezing, or stridor. Whereas esophageal foreign body or foreign body ingestion presents as dysphagia or difficult of swallowing, drooling, chest pain, or sensation of something stuck. Other important thing to differentiate is radiographic differentiation or the coin rule. Radiographs are essential for identifying radio-opaque objects like coins or batteries. As you see on the image, esophageal foreign body appears as a circle or round on a frontal or AP X-ray and as a thin line on a lateral view, whereas tracheal foreign body appears as a thin line on a frontal or AP view and as a circle or round on a lateral view. Button batteries require immediate removal to prevent electric burns and acoustic injury. Magnets are dangerous if more than one is swallowed, as they can attract through tissue and cause perforation. Sharp objects pose a high risk of esophageal perforation or tracheal injury. Airway foreign body or foreign body in the trachea is removed typically by rigid bronchoscope under general anesthesia to protect the airway, whereas esophageal foreign body often managed with flexible or rigid esophagoscope. The American Society of GI Endoscopy advises against oral contrast like barium if endoscopy is planned, as it increases aspiration risks. It increases the risk of aspiration. If an object in either location shows a double ring or halo sign on X-ray, it is likely a Button battery and requires immediate removal to prevent catastrophic tissue necrosis. Even a large esophageal foreign body can press against the posterior wall of the trachea, causing respiratory symptoms even if the airway itself is clear. Thank you for watching.